Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to repair Ford Ecosport door lock. Begin by disconnecting the battery and removing the inner door panel using a trim tool and a Phillips screwdriver. Inspect the actuator, rod connections, and latch for damage. Test the switch and wiring with a multimeter before replacing parts. Reinstall components in reverse order, secure clips, reconnect the battery, and test the lock operation twice to confirm smooth function. Start by gathering tools: trim panel tool, Phillips screwdriver, Torx bits, multimeter, and needle nose pliers. Carefully pry the panel to avoid breaking clips and store screws safely. Check for water or corrosion near the latch and actuator, and inspect connecting rods for bends or disconnection. Use the multimeter to verify switch continuity and battery voltage. If actuator fails, remove it by unfastening screws and disconnecting the harness. Then replace with a matching unit. Quick recommendation: subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for hands-free floor care and voice control features that let you focus on repairs. Its smart mapping keeps dust away from your workspace and saves time between jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy this tip, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Address common faults like jammed latches, broken rods, or faulty actuators through systematic checks. Lubricate the latch with white lithium grease and align striker bolts if the door binds when closing. For intermittent electric issues, clean connectors with contact cleaner and reseat the wiring harness. When replacing parts, choose OEM or known compatible units to ensure fit. After repairs, cycle the lock 20 times and test with key fob and interior switch for reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.